In this problem, we're given 3 sentences, each of which is key to solving the problem, the mystery. The mean of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 6. This sentence tells us that we're dealing with arithmetic sequences here. So what I'd like to do is just write out the general rule for an arithmetic sequence. This is any term. This is the first term, and then this is the difference. This is the notation I use. Sometimes people write A. I write U1. So if you add up the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence, we get, and divide them by 6, because it's the mean, we get 6. So if you were to write out the first 10 terms, this would be the first term, and then we go plus the second term, plus the third term, plus the fourth term, etc., etc., etc. You know, you can go on forever. We get these from this formula here. You would eventually get that 6u1, sorry, I mean 10u1, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for all the 10, for all the other ones, 10u1 plus 15d is the sum of the first 10 terms. Now we said that the mean is 6, which means that when you divide them by 6, you get 6. That's what the first sentence is telling us. Now we look at the second sentence, which says that the mean of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 16. We're still dealing with the same arithmetic sequence, so that we should still use the same letters as the variables. So what you can do again now is write out the terms and get to number 20, but I'm not going to do that. I already did that, in fact. And what you get is, as you write them out and add them all together, that 20u1, notice 10, 20, 20u1, because we're dealing with 20 terms, plus 190d, now that you couldn't have worked out, you had to actually add them together. When divided by 20, will give us 20, right? Because the mean is nothing but, oh, I'm sorry, will give us 16. And this one is divided by 10. Goodness. Sorry. Will give us 20. So the mean is nothing but dividing by the number of terms, which is 20, to get the number, the mean. And the mean, we're told, is 16. So what you can do now is, this is nothing than a system of simultaneous equations. And what you actually get is 60 is equal to 10u1 plus 15d. And from here you get 320 is equal to 20u1 plus 190d. And now you can solve this whichever way you want to, whichever way you prefer. But we eventually get that u1, the first term, whether you use substitution or elimination, or you isolate one term, it's up to you. But you get that u1 is minus 3. I did this already. Haha. And that the difference is 2. So that we got from these simultaneous equations. But we're still not done, because we need to find the value of the 15th term of the sequence, which then we go back to this formula here to find. And we say, okay, minus 3 plus n is 15, because it's the 15th term, plus 14 times 2 will give us the 15th term, and we get that the 15th term is 25. That's your answer.